Every business I build follows the same 5 phases. Today I am going to walk you through the entire system. Most people who want to start a side business make the same mistake. They jump straight to building. They pick a random idea, spend months coding or designing, launch to crickets, and then conclude that entrepreneurship is not for them. That is not a business strategy. That is expensive guessing. I am Adrian. I am a corporate manager, still employed full-time, and I use this 5-phase system to build micro-SaaS businesses on the side that nobody can trace back to me. I call it the invisible exit method. Phase 1, skill audit. You do not need to learn something new. You need to look at what you already do at work every day and ask one question. What do I know that other people struggle with? Maybe you build project timelines that keep teams on track. Maybe you create dashboards that turn messy data into clear decisions. Maybe you write SOPs that actually get followed. That skill is your starting point. The goal is to find the overlap between what you are good at, what people complain about online, and what someone would pay $5 to $10 a month to solve. When all three overlap, you have a viable micro-SaaS idea. Phase 2, stealth setup. Before you build anything, you build the invisible infrastructure, a business name that has zero connection to your real name, a domain with WAS privacy enabled, a business email on a separate provider, payment processing under the business entity, not your personal account. This is not paranoia. This is professional risk management. If your employer runs a Google search on your name, nothing should come back. Not a domain registration, not a social media profile, not a payment processor receipt, nothing. I covered this in detail in a previous video, but the key principle is simple. Separate everything. Your business identity and your professional identity should never touch. Phase 3, 48-hour validation. Never build before you validate. I have a complete framework for this that takes exactly 48 hours. Find the pain on Reddit and forums. Study what competitors get wrong. Put up a simple landing page. Test whether strangers will give you their email. Ask if they would pay. If the data says yes, you move forward. If the data says no, you kill the idea and test another one. No emotional attachment, no sunk cost, just data. I walk through this entire process step by step in my validation video. The link is in the description. Phase 4, AI-powered build. This is where the game has changed completely. 2 years ago, building a software product required either coding skills or tens of thousands of dollars for a developer. Today, AI tools can handle 80% of the work. I use AI to generate code, design interfaces, write copy, create marketing assets, and handle customer support templates. What used to take a team of 5 now takes one person with the right tools and 5 to 7 hours per week. Your minimum viable product does not need to be perfect. It needs to solve one specific problem well enough that someone will pay for it. Ship fast. Improve based on feedback. Do not spend 3 months polishing something nobody has tested. Phase 5, scale to $4,000. $4,000 per month in recurring revenue is the target. Not because it covers your bills, because at standard SaaS multiples, a business generating $4,000 per month is worth approximately $250,000 as a sellable asset. The scaling playbook is straightforward. Get your first 10 customers through direct outreach in communities where your audience hangs out. Get to 50 through content and word of mouth. Get to 800 subscribers at $5 each, and you have hit the target. Once you reach $4,000 in monthly recurring revenue, you have a decision to make. Keep it as a cash flow asset, or sell it for $250,000 and start building the next one. That is the invisible exit method. 5 phases: skill audit, stealth setup, validation, AI-powered build, scale to 4,000. Every video on this channel goes deeper into one of these phases. If you are a corporate professional who wants to build something real without risking your career, subscribe. I publish new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. I am Adrian. This is the system. Now go build yours. See you in the next video.